When logging in, please make sure to use the same email you provided during registration. When you first log in, you will be presented with a few questions that help add information and details to your profile. These may already be filled in based on what you provided during registration. The more information you provide here, the better our AI algorithm is able to provide relevant recommendations for you to network with. As you continue to click through, you will have the option to update your contact sharing preferences. If there is any point where you are unavailable for meetings throughout the event, things like lunch, any sort of breaks throughout the day, or times you'll be off-site, you can manage your availability so people cannot book meetings with you. Click on Manage My Availability for either blanket availability for an entire day, or click the pen icon on the right side to edit your availability in blocks of time when you will not be available. Please make sure you click on the Save Changes button at the very bottom before you leave the page. When you are looking at the agenda of sessions, you can use the filters at the top or the session search bar to start building your personal schedule. When you pop into the session, you'll be able to see some more information about the session, speakers, and sponsors if applicable. As you add sessions to your calendar, they'll populate on your personal schedule further down the left navigation, where you're able to see your schedule at a glance. This includes both sessions and meetings you have scheduled. You can also confirm any pending meetings from here as well. When it comes to building your preference list for your meeting schedule, there are 3 main approaches you can take. If you know exactly who you're looking for, first and foremost, you're able to search for them by name or profile trait in the top bar of the platform. If you want to scroll and filter to find people, you can pop over to the appropriate profile list to browse. From here, you can use the filters in the top part of the platform to drill down and get a bit more granular about who you're looking for. You can also let our platform provide networking recommendations directly to you. Our AI engine will recommend people for you using an intelligent matching algorithm based on the details you provided during registration and the initial login, combined with the complementary fields that participants have provided. The more detail you provide the engine, the better our recommendations. This section will regularly populate with fresh recommendations, making it the most effective way to build your preference list. You'll receive batches of 10 profiles at a time. Use the Meet, Must Meet, or No Thanks preference to let our system know your preferences for that particular profile. Preferences selected will help shape your meeting schedule. These particular actions you'll be able to take from the Recommended for You section or from any of the lists or profiles you browse through. Please note the limit on how many profiles you can mark with each preference level. A No Thanks preference may prevent a meeting from being booked. You can also review networking actions you have taken on the left-hand navigation if you need to change or update your preferences. The event organizer will provide a deadline to provide or amend your preferences.